I choose technical track based on my proficiency in programming. I use off and on AI tools without knowing the basis. So I thought it would help me deliver my services better, more efficiently and effectively with the AI. So I thought I'll have a practical hands-on experience from joining this AI Infinity course. Very important thing is how to use the AI tools has been very clear now by clearly defining roles to the AI engine and defining what inputs you are giving and describing what outputs you expect. The program has been excellent and my experience about AI Infinity program has been quite fantastic, and I'm able to meet all the live session schedules as against 10 challenges to be submitted. I have submitted all the 20 challenges and I have been working on 3 projects which are involving multi-agentic AI, and I'm planning to try out all the rest of the projects also. I would strongly recommend this program to any learner who is interested to use AI tools in his career.